Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Roblox avatar feature. First, navigate to the Roblox website or app and find the avatar editor icon on your screen. Click on this to open your personal customization panel. Look for a newly added Customize tab, which now provides advanced options beyond just standard changes. This is your gateway to exploring all the exciting, new possibilities for creating a truly unique avatar. The new feature introduces innovative layered clothing, allowing much more intricate designs. These items stack seamlessly, giving your avatar incredible depth and detail. Browse the expanded catalog for thousands of new compatible accessories, from jackets to skirts, all designed to layer perfectly. Experiment freely, combining various pieces to construct genuinely unique outfits that reflect your personal style. This updated system offers powerful new sliders and specific tools for precise adjustments to your avatar's appearance. You can fine-tune every detail, ensuring perfect fit and style. Experiment with an expanded range of color palettes and unique material options to truly personalize each item. Remember to save multiple distinct outfits once you are satisfied, so you can switch your look easily anytime. Once your masterpiece is complete, simply click the Save button to securely store your new avatar design. You can easily share your unique styles and creative expressions with friends, or showcase them to the wider Roblox community. If you ever wish to return to an earlier look, accessing previous avatar versions is straightforward. Enjoy expressing yourself with these fantastic new tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.